Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will explain how to make kombucha green tea. First, you will need a few key items: about 8 bags of green tea, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 14 cups of filtered water, and 1 healthy SCOBY. You'll also need a 1-gallon glass jar and a breathable cloth cover. Remember, cleanliness is crucial for a successful brew, so sanitize everything well. Now, let's brew the sweet tea. Begin by boiling 4 cups of filtered water. Once boiling, remove from heat and add your 8 green tea bags, allowing them to steep for about 10 minutes. Take out the tea bags, then stir in 1 cup of sugar until it completely dissolves. Finally, add 10 cups of cold water to bring the temperature down quickly. With your sweet tea ready, it's time to set up for fermentation. Carefully pour the cooled green tea into your clean 1-gallon glass jar. Next, gently add your SCOBY and 1 cup of starter liquid from a previous batch. This starter liquid helps lower the pH and kickstarts the fermentation. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth and secure it tightly with a rubber band. Now for the magic. Let your kombucha ferment for 7 to 10 days at a comfortable room temperature, ideally between 68 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit. Begin tasting it around day 5 to find your preferred balance of sweetness and tartness. Once it's perfect, remove the SCOBY, bottle your kombucha, leaving about 1 inch of headspace, and enjoy your homemade green tea kombucha.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.